A new Sephora Favorites kit is available now. The Lunar New Year Year of the Water Rabbit kit. The set includes 13 skincare favorites to start the new year. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit is $38.46. The set does include BioEssence Squalene plus Vitamin C Rose Oil, that's 0.15 ounces or 4 milliliters. Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Enhancing, that's 0.3 ounces or 10 milliliters. Clarins Total Eye Lift is 0.2 ounces or 7 milliliters. drjart Singapore Tiger Grass Calming Serum Mask, that's 0.88 ounces or 25 milliliters. Fresh's Black Tea Eye Concentrate, it's 0.1 ounce or 3 milliliters. Farmacy Beauty Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer, it's 0.3 ounces or 9 milliliters. Gisou Honey Infused Hair Perfume, it's 0.13 ounce, 4 milliliters. Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops is 0.16 ounce or 5 milliliters. Jomalone London's Peony and Blush Suede Cologne is 0.3 ounces or 9 milliliters. Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer is 0.33 ounces or 10 milliliters. Origins Dr. Andrew Well for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Sundayriley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum is 0.27 ounces or 8 milliliters. Kerastase Paris Elixir Ultimate is 0.5 ounce or 15 milliliters. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.